Now that we have started to familiarize ourselves with the interface of Adobe Experience Design, let's talk about some things that will help you do things faster, and that is keyboard shortcuts. Now, of course, you can do all of what we're about to do by just moving your cursor all the way to some place inside of the interface and do everything just using the mouse. But one of the parts of being experienced with one software is to be able to do things quicker, and doing so with keyboard shortcuts is one of the ways. For example, right now, if I wanted to create a rectangle, you may want to drag your cursor all the way to the left and select rectangle, and you'll be able to draw a rectangle. But there is a quicker way. For example, if we head back to this tool that is just the select tool and want to quickly draw a rectangle right in here, all we have to do is press on the R key on the keyboard and we will be able to draw a rectangle. The same goes if we click on the E keyboard, we will be immediately able to draw an ellipse. And so on. We can click the L for a line, the P for the pen tool. We can click T to select where we want to start writing some text. We can click A to create a new artboard, which I'm going to delete immediately. And we can click Z to select a part of the element for zooming in inside of it so it fits the entire screen. And again, we can click on V to get to the select tool, and we can click on the space and hold it to be able to pan through the design. Now on Mac, we can also do it with the touchpad or with the magic mouse by just swiping through it. But if you do not have either of them, you can do that with the space, holding the space bar, and you'll be able to pan around your design. Another useful shortcut is to be able to zoom in and out by pressing down the command key and clicking on the plus to zoom in or the minus to zoom out. And we can zoom all the way out as we want. We could also click Command 0 to fit everything inside of our screen, or again click on the C to select some part of the design so we can zoom that inside of the screen. So if you ever forget the shortcuts, you can just hover around all of these elements and you see how the select, indeed the shortcut is to just click V, or R for the rectangle, or E for the ellipse, L for the line, P for the pen, T for the text, A for the artboard, and C for the zoom. And finally, you can go to the view menu and see that zooming in is Command plus, zooming out is Command minus, and you could also have 100% zoom by doing Command 1, 200 by doing Command 2, zoom to selection by doing Command 3, or zoom to fit all by doing Command 0. So again, you can just go ahead and navigate to all of those elements if you ever forget what the shortcut is.